Okay, is this thing on? Okay. Here we are at the beach. Greetings, aloha. We're gonna do a little crypto corner. It is September 17th. And the news is the Federal Reserve Bank, has an interest rate that they cut. And we're going to try to look at a little, talk about how does that affect crypto and cryptocurrency. And so with us here is Michael. So here we go.
Hey, good afternoon. September 17th, 2025. The Federal Reserve has finally cut the interest rates by 25 basis points for the first time in 9 months. We're anticipating 2 more cuts. What does this mean for the crypto? Well, this is always a good sign. When we talk about Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, the Bitcoin always follows gold. Gold is the marker that gives us indication of how the cryptocurrencies can perform. Well, gold hit an all-time high last week at $3,750 or so. It's at all-time high and it keeps going up. And Bitcoin is also going to be going through all-time high. It's at 116,000 right now. There's some small volatility in the markets because of the news, right? Job losses, it's always a negative thing. People do not know how to react, so they stock up on gold, right? They just stockpile it. So this means the digital world is also going to be stockpiling. And what does it mean for alternative coins and Bitcoin and just the market in general? Well, S&P 500 is at 46,000. S&P 500 is at 6,600 points. It's pushing all-time high, going on 7,000. Dow Jones is at 46,000 points. It's incredible. And Nasdaq, Russell 2000 is also pushing some records. So everything is at all-time high. Bitcoin, it has no reaction today at all. No reaction, but it will. I'm seeing some positive movement in memes. Memes last year also led the way. Last year in 2024, when Bitcoin, when Federal Reserve cut some rates, November 2024, memes always led the way. And this time we're seeing the same thing. Memes are leading the way. Tosh is leading the way. Some big crypto dog on Bitcoin is a meme for Bitcoin. It's leading the way. So again, I'm checking in. It's September 17th, 2025. We had the first 25 basis points interest rate cut, and we got 2 more. Yeah. So this is what's going on. Enjoy this beautiful weather. So yeah. So the economic growth, the economy is going to continue to grow, because there's going to be 2 more anticipated cuts. We do not know if it's going to be 0.25 basis points, 0.5 or 0.75, probably 0.25. The economy, the reactions, we're going to see some good positive reactions in the coming days with the big.
Don't they make more than 1 cut?
Yes. Usually the Federal Open Market Committee is every month. The 12 federal banks, they have a discussion once every month to cut the rates. So we had a cut rate today, September 17th. There'll be a cut rate next month, unless it's an emergency, and the month after that.
So that's a cut before, it's like about a year ago.
Almost a year ago, yeah, 9 months ago exactly to this date.
So markets, well, what's interest rate? We can borrow more.
Oh yes. So what does that mean for United consumers? Well, the interest rate. Whenever the interest drops on borrowing the money, that means you as a consumer, you can go to your bank and borrow that money at a lesser cost, right? So you got to pay the debt to the interest.
More people will do it.
More people will be able to afford to borrow money. Therefore, a home prices are going to go up, because now consumers have more money that they borrowed. So there's more buyers for that home. Therefore, the home value will go up. intrinsic value, anytime interest rate drop, whole metal goes up, gold goes up, stock market assets go up, Bitcoin goes up. So this is why we're anticipating inflation is going to go up. So you will see 2026, 7, inflation is going to go up. We already have severe inflation. It's going to only continue to go up.
Bitcoin's gonna go bull run a little bit.
Gonna have a little blow off top with Bitcoin. I suspect. I made a prediction 3 years ago that Bitcoin's got to top at 148 or so. We'll see. So it'll just run it up to 150. So we'll see what happens. Some say it's gonna go past right that, but we're at 116 to 150. That's another 20% move. That's huge for the markets.
So we're gonna buy more Ethereum for Bitcoin?
So how this works is altcoins. Bitcoin goes up, and then the profits from the Bitcoin is going to go into Ethereum, Solana, and all the other altcoins. So that's a good sign.
And then the altcoin season.
Altcoin season's going to start. It's starting to show in some memes, but altcoin season usually there's a 2-month lag behind Bitcoin. So when the Bitcoin has its block top, which we have not had yet, it's looking like December right now. Then 2 months after that, give or take, the altcoins are gonna have a blow off top.
So
historically.
Right. Peaks. So what about sum up then? What's a big giant takeaway?
So the big giant takeaway to you folks that are watching this, pay attention to the markets now. You can position yourself today to be very prosperous in the future. You can pay attention to 2027 crash.
2027, beware. Crash window. But right now it's like buy low, sell high.
Everything's high right now. It's gonna go higher. So that's it. I want to check out. 10 minutes is good enough. Mangoose Max, thank you for having me on this channel. Do you have any more questions? We've covered the Fed rate cuts. There's going to be 2 more cuts after this. All the stock is at all-time high. We covered the reaction on the economic growth. We covered the foresight. So that means stock, market, gold, Bitcoin, all-time high. Bitcoin profits can go into Ethereum, Solana, it's going to go into the meme coins. Everything's at all-time high. So enjoy this beautiful weather and enjoy this beautiful day.
Cool. Bitcoin. Aloha. Oh, and by the way, we're not financial advisors. You know the drill. Aloha.
Aloha. Up there. It's not moving. Let's see if we get it some help. Back to the perspective. A few minutes, man.